For the fall term, all of the program staff decided to run trips to help students connect with each other and the beautiful outdoor campus that is Dartmouth. All of the trips left on foot. We went canoeing, hiking on the Appalachian Trail, and some of the other parks. The students had the opportunity, with their masks on, still maintaining social distance, to connect with each other, which they haven't had a chance to do at all. It was this wonderful opportunity to actually meet people face to face for the first time. Planning the trips is just to help students connect with each other and the place. Being inside by yourself for 2 weeks is a challenge to anyone, particularly a young person who's come to an area that they don't know. So really wanting folks to be able to get outside and move their bodies, connect with people. The sunlight is good for you moving your body outside and feeling like you belong somewhere, that you know where you are.